Hello everyone, it's me, Majan, and today I will be showing you guys my room. So if you do or do not know, I go to Xavier University of Louisiana. I am a public health major and I'm a freshman. So I will be showing you the dorm room in Catherine Drexel Hall, or KD for short. And so yeah, let's get into it. So I'd like to make a disclaimer. This is my room as is. Like, I walked in and I was like, you know what? I've been procrastinating on this little video for these incoming Zula students. And I was like, let me just film it real quick. So I'm sorry if it looks rushed. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what my room, how I designed my room, the size, whatever. If you guys want to see like more things like the bathroom, the kitchenette, I can show you guys that in another video. Just let me know. So before you get to my room, you'll see this. It says West Coast Living. It only says that because me and my roommate are both from California. We're the California room. So let me just show you the overview. This right here is my roommate's side. So her desk, her bed, and this is my side. And the door. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm not gonna go really into my roommate's side because like I don't want to be touching her stuff and stuff, but we'll start here. These are my drawers. I had them out away from my bed because I wanted to create more space under here, and I'll show you what's under here later. So on the dresser, I just have my whiteboard. I do math homework on here sometimes. Have a perfume, remote for my lights. I don't know if you can see that. And then I have in the basket, I just have like bonnets, stuff for my hair, hoops. I wear a lot of hoops, and some medicine and vitamins. I also have, my alarm clock. It lights up. Then I have my beautiful plant. Bless me. And a Kleenex box. Next I have my bed. It is like a satin material. It's really soft and it keeps you cooler at night. And I have a little bed light. I don't know if you could see it right now, but yeah, there it is. Can't really see that well. It's pretty cheap, so it doesn't work very well. I have some pictures of my friends, a poster, Carpe Diem, and moving down to here, I have my shower caddy. I have a little lap desk, my makeup. If you would like to see like my makeup collection, I could do a video on that. I have some palettes, some notebooks, more makeup, my mirror. I love this mirror. It's so good. Water, stuff for class, just pens, pencils, hair ties, post-it notes. I have pictures of my family or closest friends. Very important to me. Just a bunch of stuff I've collected. I can't really tell you what it is, but important documents, extra folders and stuff. More notebooks. As you see, I'm a student first, so I have a lot of books. I have, stuff for my face. I can go into this more if you would like. Second level, I have a bunch of seasonings because that cafeteria food is sometimes it ain't all that great. So you gotta spice it up and add your own little, thing to it. I have my fan, sauces. There's just a bunch of sauces in here. Y'all don't want to see it. Miscellaneous items. I have an M for my name, Majan. Dishes, olive oil, and utensils. Then up here I have tea. I'm a major tea enthusiast, guys. Like, I have so much tea, like, you don't even know. I have my camera where I have all my Polaroids, lotion, witch hazel, cleaning products, room spray, my speaker. I recommend this, so bomb. More pictures of my friends and family, important letters that they sent me. I have a first aid kit up there. First aid kit, extra storage, I guess. Moving on, I have my fanny on the closet. I have a little hanger that it's on. I have a robe, 2 robes, towel, my umbrella, the drawstring bag. This is basically where I keep my clean clothes that I need to fold, so keep it in there. And then I have my closet. This is the space for one side of the closet. And then you have more space for clothes up there. Have my own mirror. Hey y'all. And then I have more stuff on this side. My jeans, skirts, sweats, towels. More miscellaneous items. Wipes, washcloths, hair products, suitcase and shoes. If you would like me to go in more detailed, I can for you. And so yeah. And let me show you under here. I have a freezer. Freezers are so much better than fridges. I highly recommend. I have my hamper for dirty clothes, some water, some, hygiene products under here. And then on this one I have food and cleaning products. Yeah, it's not too much fun stuff looking here. But altogether, this is what my room looks like. If you would like to know where I shopped, I can include that. Just let me know. And so, here is the view, just in case you guys were wondering. Here is the view outside my window. It's looking at St. Joe's. That's the building right across from me. It's a pretty nice day outside. Yeah. So that was just a quick video of my room. If you would like me to go more into detail about where I bought stuff or what makeup I have, I can do a lot more videos for you guys. The whole truth about Xavier, whatever you want to know about Xavier. I am an out-of-state student. I'm from California. So if you would like to know like how big the change was for me, I could do a video on that. Just let me know, y'all. I hope you like this video. I love you guys. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll try and do some more for you guys next semester. Bye.